And we're here with another video. I don't know what I'm gonna title this, so yeah. But before I get into the topic, I just want to show you why investing your money is a good idea. You see that out there? That's $9 million. 9 million. And and this is like, well, anyway, before I just wanted to show you the stock market. What y'all should be investing. Bring it up the stock market. Right now, I don't do this, but someday, and maybe in my later video, I would put a link down below to the stock market I am. But right now, the stock market I am is secret stock market. It's secret. It's not really secret, but it's secret because I invest in something only the risk invest in. So that's no be little secret for now. Two, I made my next video. Y'all want to see what the secret is? This video get uh, 100 likes. Just 100 likes. I'm gonna do another video getting into the details. Why the stock market is a good idea to invest your money into. But anyway, I want to show y'all my main stock. That is my current amount right now. That used to be a 9 right now, but that 80 million. And you see all this right here, all this is like literally how much money I made me on a daily basis. Look at them numbers. Like look at them. Look at them numbers. A giant don't make that much money, my friend. Look at that. Look. Damn, I really don't like this. Look at them. You see how I highlight them? Like, you see that? That's the money I made on a daily basis. And you got the year date. Like, look at them. I need time. Like, damn, y'all see that? And get what? I don't have to work for it. Money in, money work. That's how it works. Put money in and work for you. You're basically investing in a high brand company like Walmart or something. And you're betting it's gonna go up or it's gonna go down in value. Is Walmart gonna drop and flop, or Walmart gonna still be one of the big things? One of the big things people can go. And you're right, they pay you for your advice. And then they gonna bring you over and ask you what idea you got for Walmart. But this not just Walmart, this for any business, any multi-million business, any multi-billion business. This not be for Amazon. You know, be for Google, anything. So you basically betting in a wealthy company. That's not the secret though, cause it's certain thing I invest in. Now some of y'all might already know what that means right there. Y'all heard of Bitcoin yet? I that's it's that's yeah, I invest in Bitcoin. But that's not the secret. The secret is what type of Bitcoin. Okay, a million different types of Bitcoin out there. So y'all see this and then think, wow, I get it. This is simple. You judge Batman. Yeah, it's simple. If I'm not gonna lie, but you have to bet in a certain type of Bitcoin slot. And I'm gonna get into that in this video. Damn. All right. Now, let's get to the real side and get out of here. I just want to show out a little bit. Shouldn't don't be a show out. Don't show out. Don't do it. Don't do it. You make more money if you don't show out. Don't do it. Showing out good, but don't always do it. Yeah. Fat. Like my brother said in the background. Yeah. Alright, what I wanted to show you. What is it? Alright, here you go. This is what I want to show you. Yeah, Pacific One will show you. The V app. That's why I call it the V app. You don't call it by its name. I call it the V app. So your logo is a V. So I can call it what I want to call it. But this app is an app I would recommend for anybody who wants to become a rapper. Do you have to get to be on the app? No. It's just one of my recommend. One app I highly recommend. I highly recommend. Yeah, I highly recommend. Anyway, you click on this. It should take you to this. It should take you to the home page. It's loading right now. I'm gonna pause. Oh, here you go. What the hell happened? Did I slap the? I don't know what just happened. Anyway, here you go. You got the top track. You got the beat down below. The V app. And all you have to do, and these is like different people on the V app. Right here, over here, over here. And this all the what the beat at. I mean, you see the down there. The title is just down there. So all you do it's simple. You find a beat. You know, listen to it first. Alright. Alright, let me see. Yeah. I get no money, I go. Yeah, you get what I mean. This beat not, I don't, I'm not feeling that beat. Huh. Hey, get me away out. Get me away out. Get me away out. I said fuck it, then I go get the money, button up, then I get the money and go, then I go and fly. Sorry, hi. Sorry. Oh, damn. Grandma, what you doing, Granny?